Diolch, Llywydd. Trefnydd, I'm requesting a statement from the Welsh Government on support for the road haulage sector here in Wales. As we approach the busiest retail period of the year, I'd like to pay tribute to our road hauliers who work tirelessly in all conditions to ensure that goods are transported efficiently across the country. These individuals are often the unsung heroes of our economy, and I believe the sector is in clear need of greater support. Now, in my previous role as chair of the Economy, Trade and Rural Affairs Committee, the first subject inquiry I led focused on support for HGV drivers, and I'm proud of the comprehensive report that the committee produced as a result of that work. The report set out 11 important recommendations, and Trefnydd, I'd be grateful if we could have an update on the progress made in implementing those recommendations, together with details of any additional measures the Welsh Government is taking to support the road haulage sector here in Wales.
Diolch yn fawr, Paul Davies. Like you, I would also like to pay tribute to road hauliers in Wales and indeed thank the committee, ETRA committee, and when you previously chairing it, producing that report, which of course did have recommendations for the Welsh Government, and I'll ask the Cabinet Secretary to respond accordingly.